Hi, Dulcet. Hello there, my fellow army. It's me, Army Cindy. And yes, today is the most awaited day para sa tuwang mga armies because today, at this moment, at this wonderful day, karon ipagawas ang official MV sa Dynamite, which is we're so excited and most awaited kay tungod English siya. English siya na ipagawas. First time as in sa history sa BTS na magawas ng full English music and yes! And now which is upbeat kay siya na mapapadance your booty. Yeah, booty. And yes, wala pang kailangan dito na tayo mag-react na to sa itong MV sa itong 7 Ampanmans. Ampamans. 7 Ampamans. And yes, yeah, I'm so excited kay mga baby, nagawas na sila. So yeah, so ulit paglangay-langay, let's go smash this MV reaction sa BTS Dynamite. Yes, I'm so excited, army. Intro pa lang daan. Langhat na ni mong big hit. Intro pa lang daan. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, Jungkooki! Jungkook! Ay, ako na linumutin mong gatas. Ako na lang kurutad to. God, Jungkook. Oh my god, Jungkooki! Oh my god. JK! RM! Cute kang RM yung buhok. Bagay kay saya. Hobby! Yeah, you glow up, guys. Oh my god, donut! Jungkooki! Jimin! No, little Muchi. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my heart! Oh my heart! Oh my heart! Oh my heart! Oh my god! Tayo nga! Ang nabuhay pa makas kalibutan dong. Oh my god! Wapo kayo! Oh my god! My heart! Oh my eyes! Oh my god! Wapo kayo, RM! You got me chills. Yoongi! Oh my god, cute si Yoongi. Oh my god, cute si Yoongi. Yung smiling niya. Meow. My god. God, Jimin! Look, cute lang Koryo. Cute ka. Yung pang 90s, kidi lang sa Rina. Oh my god, yung iconic dance na po niya na ba? Oh my god, yung oh my god, cute kayo. Wait lang, wait. Ito balik. Oh my god, Taeyong! Oh my god. Naong ni Jimin. Oh my god. It's speechless kayo guys ng MV. Cute kayo, JK. Hala! Alam mo, feeling nga happy kimutan tapos na yung mama kapugot. Ay, nako, Jin. Jinyong! Tumigil eh? Tayo nga. Kasing ganda eh. Uy, kumalo ka lang stepping. Kumalo ka to. Oh my god. Oh my god, yung subscribe. so ano mo pag-describe ng anaw nga anong nabuhay pa mo nas kalibutan ka ng anaw. No wonder why nga nung siya gid ang ano. Siya ang pinaka most handsome man in the world. Bao na. Oh my god, Yonggi! Yonggi? Oh. Oh my god, yan. Okay. Okay, tawon. Susundaw ni Yonggi. Nang ni Yonggi, oh my god, Teyong. Ano mong gibisit Teyong? Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, little Mochi! Oh my god. JK! Oh my god, so speechless. Oh my god. Mikit kaya! Mikit kaya! Oh my god. Oh my god. Big round of applause sana gid sa Big Hit Editors. Oh my god, cute kayo. Oh my heart. Oh my heart. Ah, cute kayo. Oh. Grabe ka iconic. Oh my goodness. Oh, Big Hit. Thank you for bringing this 7 ampamas in our world. Oh my goodness. Yung smile. Okay. Okay. Wow, pagid ka na nga smile. Oy. So yes. I can't explain the feeling. I got this feeling inside my bones. Oh my god, like the entire MV video is mind-blowing, guys. As like maka-speechless, yun kayo siya speechless, as in nga speechless, wad yun kayo masturya kayo. Ah, nice kayo! Big Hit! Oh my god. Oh my god, like I'm so speechless, kid guys. Wala di kayo masturya tungkol sa kachada. Like the entire video, like oh my god. Kung ice pa na siya, maka-brain freeze na siya sa utok. Oh my god, Big Hit. A big round of applause to Big Hit and Big Hit! Yes. Oh my god. Yes. You never failed to amaze us. Huh? You never failed. So yeah, mga natin siya mga armies. Ang ato ang reaction. MV reaction sa BTS Dynamite. You know, in just 24 hours, dapat makaka 100 million subscriber, 1 million views in just 24 hours and 7 million likes. Yes. Kahit na ma-reach ito tong goal, ayaw mo kalimot, keep on streaming in the Spotify, Apple Music, and other platform. Then share sa MV video in other platform and keep on streaming, armies. Let's smash this, army. Let's smash this MV video, okay? Let's smash this. Smash this. Smash. Okay? Yeah, BTS! Oh my god, BTS! Oh my heart. Oh my heart. Oh, you never failed to amaze us, BTS! Oh, proud to be army here! Army! So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do like, share, and subscribe, and hope you leave a comment down below if you like this video, and stay tuned to my next video. Thank you! Bye, army! I purple you, army! Bye!